Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of how to discover contact using intent topics and reveal contact. Go to Discover and then go to Contacts. Then click on My Intent Topics. Note that the topics can be added from Intent Topics section under Discover. Once the topics are added, all topics will be visible under Intent section in Contacts. Now select topics of your choice. If you select 2 or more intent topics, you can see the and or options enabled. Click on and option to search for the contacts that match both selected topics. Or else you can click on or option to search for the contacts that match either selected topic. We can filter the contacts based on intent strength. Intent strength lets you filter contacts with high or medium strength. Let's deselect this option to search contacts with high intent strength only. We can also sort contacts with recent most intent signal using the intent date option. Head over to Order By section within the filters and select Intent Date from the dropdown. Now let's add more filters like company revenue and click on Apply Filters. Wait for the results to load. Here, you can see the contacts in Results section with only high intent strength and with recent most intent signal. Choose a contact and click on a contact card to view the details of the contact. Now, click on Reveal Details button to view the masked information. By following these steps, you can reveal contact details. Note that each contact reveal consumes 4 credits. Now let's learn how to reveal multiple contact details at once. Go back to Results section. Start by selecting multiple contacts using checkbox option, or click on the top checkbox option to select all contacts within the page, and click on Reveal Details. Now you know how to search contacts using intent topics and reveal contacts information.